Script: Caveman explain how to make friend. Me caveman, me lonely. Me try talk to rock. Rock no laugh at my joke. So me learn secret. How to make real friend, not just rock with face painted on. Step 1. No hit stranger with club. Yes, easy way to meet people, but bad way to keep them. Instead, smile. Show teeth, but not too much or look like hungry wolf. Say hello or grunt polite. First impression like spear throw. Miss target, no second chance. Share things. Food, story, fire, not lice. If you share banana, friends share laughter. Sharing, say, me not selfish cave goblin. Friendship grow like small fire when two cavemen put sticks together. Step 3. Listen, not just wait for your turn to grunt. Ask what make other caveman brain happy. If he say he dream of flying, do not laugh, unless he actually jump off cliff. Then laugh after rescue. Listening make friend feel like shiny rock, not invisible pebble. Step 4. Be funny. Do silly dance, make monkey noisy, fall into bush on purpose. Friendship stronger when you both laugh until mammoth run away scared. Even ugly caveman with bad haircut become lovable if he funny. So how make friend? No need big gift, no need 10 mammoth. Just share fire, listen good, laugh loud, not hit with club. In end, real friend like warm fire, keep you alive in cold night, and also roast your banana when you too lazy.